Welcome to the module on Project Risk Management Planning. Click on the Start button to begin. We cover the following in this module. Module Approach. Module Learning Outcome. What is a project risk? Why develop a project risk management plan? Where does the project risk management plan fit in? What does the project risk management plan cover? And lastly, there will be an assignment to conclude. Module Approach. This module addresses the project risk management planning process as one of several risk management processes within the broader project management context. It assumes that you are new to the notion of having to plan risk management for projects, and it accepts that you may only be truly comfortable with the process once you have completed all the modules of the course. Although there is enough information in this module to get the ball rolling for your learning experience, there is some information pertaining to project risk management planning that is intentionally addressed superficially in this module and more comprehensively in later modules. This may sound strange, but there is method in the madness. In short, your learning process will require a significant amount of reflection and contemplation of information, and things will become clearer as the course moves forward. The approach is, therefore, intended to mitigate the risk of information overload. The processes for project risk management are iterative. That is, they are not strictly linear and are revisited throughout the project. It is therefore natural for information to unfold as time progresses, and you will see that the risk management plan as a concept will make ever more sense as we progress through the course while revisiting or reflecting on earlier topics. Sometimes, to move forward, we must take a few steps back. This module, as with the broader course, does not have a pass versus fail mindset. Instead, it acknowledges that you are an adult learner, seeking to learn how to apply project risk management in real projects. You are therefore intrinsically motivated to acquire the skills this course offers, and will be taking ownership, with the help of Project Link of course, of your learning experience. Note that the module is available to you from now on for the duration of the course, and you are also reminded that you can download the information of this presentation in the form of a workbook via the Resources button. Furthermore, once you have viewed this presentation from beginning to end, you will be able to navigate freely in the presentation when revisiting the module using the menu. Learning Outcome. The purpose of this module is to contextualize the project risk management planning process and to provide you with enough context and information so that you will be able to perform project risk management planning for your projects. The learning outcome for this module is as follows. For a project of your choice, develop a risk management plan that aligns with project risk management best practices. To achieve the learning outcome, in other words, to ensure that you can apply your newfound or perhaps revived knowledge pertaining to project risk management planning, you are required to complete both the quiz and assignment for Module 1. You will only be able to access the quiz and assignment once you have viewed this presentation. As mentioned in the previous section, it is possible and acceptable that you will not quite yet have achieved the learning outcome after week 1. This is perfectly fine. You can revisit the module and build on your assignment 1. As you become progressively comfortable with the topic, you will see that the assignment template provides guidelines on the sections that you should complete week by week. Now that the scene has been set, let's move over to the topic of project risk.